grading section of section 3 of the SAT test. This is the grading section or the student produced answer section, and I want to give some observation on it, how to grade in your answer, and what you should do to ensure that you get the correct answer. First of all, take a look at the column in here. There is a box on top of it, and in here we have decimal or the fraction sign or the division sign only. We don't have a negative sign. So if you get your answer minus 3.5, you made a mistake somewhere. Review your solution, review your work. Let's say I want to grade in, my answer was 7 over 12. I want to grade in 7 over 12 as a fraction. So you go to the first column and you find the 7 and you shade it with the pencil. This is corrected by a machine, a scanatron. So you ensure that you grade in the entire circle correctly with a pencil number 2. And then you go to the division sign and type in here the fraction sign and you grade it. And then I go to the 1 and I shade the 1, and to the 2 and I shade the 2. It is a good practice to write your answer in here on top 7 over 12. Would you get a credit if you just have written this answer without shading or grading in your answer? No. But this, it should help you to keep focus and you won't make a mistake by going and looking back into the answer booklet. So this is to ensure that you are shading or grading in the correct answer. If you have it as a decimal, same thing. Let's say 2.5 is my answer. I'm going to choose 2 in the first column. You could, therefore that is my 2. And that is, I shade 2. Then I'm going to do the decimal. Here is my decimal. And automatically I go to the third column and I shade the 5. And that is 2.5. Can you start from the second column? Yes, you may start from the second column. So that's all you need to do to ensure that you get your answer recorded correctly. Here question 16 says t is greater than 0. Find the solution or find the value of t such that t squared minus 4 is equal 0. We take 2 to the 4 to the other side and we take square root of both sides. And don't forget to put plus or minus, and I'll address that shortly. So therefore, t is equal to plus or minus 2. However, t equal minus 2 is rejected. Why it is rejected? Because it was given to us t is positive. It's greater than 0 from the domain, so t must be what? 2. How do I grade in 2? You write 2 in here. I'm gonna write it in, let's say, green, so just to distinguish that. So I'm going to write 2 in here in my first column and I shade 2 in here, and that is your answer. Done.